everyone, this is Priyanka and welcome to my channel Organizopedia. You know, there are two kinds of storage which we get in our double beds. One with a hydraulic opening and other one comes with a drawer. With drawer ones, we always run into the problem of space crunch. And then we try to figure out how to optimize that little space in the best possible way. So in today's DIY, I'm going to give answer of just that question to you. So let's start.
An angular ruler, a straight ruler, some paper for drawer lining, a foam board because it's sturdy, a measuring tape, some gift wrapping paper, a pair of scissors, a cutter, and a pencil or a pen. Basically, these are the things which we need for today's DIY. Now first take your drawer out and start measuring the length, breadth, and the depth of your drawer. Mark points with the spacing equal to the depth of your drawer. For my case, the depth of the drawer is 5 inches and I am going to cut the 4 strips on this foam board. Now with the help of your angular scale, start extending those points into the lines. The lines which we are extending here are going to help in cutting the foam board. With the help of your cutter, start cutting strips. 2 of them should be equal to the length of your drawer and 2 more equal to the width of your drawer. So these are the 4 strips for my drawer dividers. Now put a strip along the length of your drawer and mark the points where you exactly want to create those separators or the dividers. Now in this part we are going to see how we can create the interlace. The points which we have just marked were the divider points. The width of this particular strip is 5 inches. And for creating the interlace, mark a point which is exactly at the center of the strip, and for my case that is 2.5. Now with the help of your pencil and a ruler, mark a point till the center of the strip. And the points which we are marking on the strip will going to guide us in cutting out these strips. Take your cutter and start cutting along the lines which we were just marking on this foam board. Please note that it's not a single cut. Try to make it wider, more like a rectangular cut. Because in that way only you can use these cuts for the interlacing. And there's no need to make it clean because we are going to cover it with the help of a wrapping paper. And this is how we are going to use these rectangular cuts for the interlacing. And as now we are using this interlacing method, so there is no need to fix these dividers with the help of any kind of adhesive. And yes, don't forget to cut the holes which we previously made on the board. So now here I am taking this paper for the drawer line. You have to measure the length and the width of your drawer and then cut this paper according to the size of your drawer. And in this way you can directly put your dividers and you don't need any glue or double-sided tape to fix it. Earlier, it used to be quite disorganized. And then, this is how it looks after installing these dividers. And this is how I organize my stuff into these dividers. So I have used these dividers for keeping my socks, towels, innerwears, handkerchiefs and everything.
So these drawer dividers are not only going to help you organize your double bed drawer, you can even use this idea in organizing your closet drawer, even your kitchen drawers and etc. And I hope you liked today's video, and if so, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please share, like and comment. Bye bye for now and see you next time.